feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, feel it's dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we them close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be.
Hey, you there. Hey, you there, you there. Hey, my Glow fam. It's your favorite Glow-Getta. Back at it again with another video. So as you can see what I was showing, I'm going to do the much awaited my Boxycharm unboxing that I got from August. So as you know, this is what the box looks like. This is Boxycharm. It's black, and on the side it just says Hello Charmer. So that's what the box looks like. I got variation 5, so it didn't always include in your Boxycharm. You get a box that says Boxycharm, and the theme is Life of the Party, and it lists all of the items that you got. And as you can see, I got variation 5. So let's dig in. First thing I got is Tarte Sweat Proof Lifted Mascara. So I'm actually using my ring light. I got a portable ring light, so let me know how you guys like it, if it's really good with my video. So I got Tarte Sweat Proof Lifted Mascara. So this is the packaging, pink, and this is what the mascara looks like. It's pink, so it's like a black brown color. This is what the wand looks like, and yeah, so that's what I got for my variation. Everybody got different variations, so I got the mascara. Next, I got the NC cuticle oil, So Rich cuticle oil, and So Rich lollipop. So I got the cuticle oil. I also got, as everybody got, 3 gold eye masks from Wonder Beauty. This is one of the packaging. All of them are the same, but this is the baggage claim gold eye mask. So 3 of them. Next, which everybody also got, is from Bang Beauty. So this is just what the packaging looks like. This is what the gel eyeliner looks like. It's in the shade Chocolate. So yeah, y'all can see that, chocolate. And this is what chocolate looks like. It's a dark brown color. It's just a regular gel eyeliner. Next in my box, I got the Smashbox The Legendary Pucker Up Lipstick Palette. So this is what was in my variation. If people got different things from Smashbox, this is what I got. This is the packaging, and it's in the shade Neutral. This is the back of it, and this is the actual palette. It's very cute, guys. Like, the lips change, like, it's so pretty. That's one of my favorites. So these are the colors. So we have Coffee Run, we got Cognac, we got Famous, Safe Word Matte, Mauve Matte, and First Time Matte. So I did the Liberty. I'm already swatching the colors for you, so I'll show that in a minute. But this is the palette and the colors. It does come with a pencil. Not a pencil. Why I say pencil? A lip pencil. Oh yeah, a lip pencil. This is the colors. So these are the swatches of the colors, starting with that first dark chocolate color, First Time Matte. Next one after that is called Mauve Matte. The next one is called Safe Word Matte. The fourth one is called Famous. The next one after that is Cognac. And the last one is Coffee Run. So we got First Time Matte, Mauve Matte, Safe Word Matte, Famous, Cognac, and Coffee Run. My favorite is First Time Matte because I love dark colors, especially for the fall. But these are the swatches. Very pretty colors. And last but not least, Miss Scandalous Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. So everybody knows about this palette, but I'll show you guys what it looks like for all you guys. And this is Hey guys, mirror. But this is a mirror, and these are the colors. They're very bright. That's about it, guys. So that was all in my Boxycharm unboxing. And also, I just want to say hello to my new Glow fam. Thank you for joining and coming to my channel, supporting. I would love it if you guys become a member of my Glow fam and click that subscribe button and like, and let me know any feedback you have. Sorry it's been like super long since I recorded and everything, because since school started, yada yada, your girl been busy, homework, college girl problems. So yeah, so I'll probably be going to record like once a week, and it'll probably be every Sunday, so look forward to new videos every Sunday, once a week, because that'll help me with my school schedule and studying and all that. So yeah, so that's probably what I'm going to do. And so let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm, if you guys are going to upgrade to Boxy Luxe. I'm so excited. If you don't know, September the 1st, 9 a.m. is when we can upgrade. So get those calendars ready, set your calendar, set your alarms, know what time you got to get up. West Coast probably like 6 o'clock a.m. So I will definitely be upgrading, and I will let you guys definitely know what was in my Boxy Luxe. And so yeah, let me know what you're excited about for Boxy Luxe, what you're excited about for your Boxycharm. What did you get? What you wasn't excited about? Let me know if you like this ring light. I love it though. I got it from Amazon. So let me know if you have any questions or any other videos y'all have. Let me know in the comments below as usual. And that's about it, my Glow gang. Guys, I'll see you, well, y'all see my beautiful face in the next video. So until then, my Glow fam, it's your favorite Glow-Getta signing out. Deuces.
When it's nights like this,